Hey there, gadget lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Life moves fast, right? We're always rushing from one thing to the next, trying to stay on top of everything. But what if I told you there are tools and gadgets that could help make your everyday tasks a whole lot easier, more comfortable, and even a bit more fun? Whether you're a busy professional, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone who just enjoys a little self-care now and then, having the right gadgets at your fingertips can make all the difference. Today we're doing a countdown of 15 must-have gadgets and tools that will not only improve your daily life, but also help you stay organized, comfortable, and relaxed. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at these game-changing products. Coming in at number 15 on our list, we have the wearable blanket hoodie. Who doesn't love the feeling of being wrapped up in a cozy blanket? Well, this hoodie takes that experience to the next level. Imagine being able to wear your blanket wherever you go, whether it's lounging on the couch, attending an outdoor event, or even hanging out by a campfire. This hoodie is made from soft fleece and Sherpa fabric, providing the perfect blend of warmth and comfort. The oversized pocket is great for stashing your phone, snacks, or whatever else you need. And with built-in sleeves, you can move around easily without feeling restricted. Plus, its one-size-fits-all design makes it perfect for everyone in the family. Whether you're spending a chilly evening at home or heading to the beach for a sunset walk, this wearable blanket hoodie will keep you warm, cozy, and stylish. Not to mention, it's available in a variety of colors, so you can find the perfect match for your personal style. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to turn their couch potato moments into something a little more fashionable? Next up, at number 14, we have the neck reading light. If you're someone who loves reading, crafting, or just working on your hobbies late into the night, you know how difficult it can be to find the perfect lighting. The neck reading light is ergonomic and hands-free, keeping your hands free for your books, knitting, or any other tasks, made from soft rubber material. It's adjustable so you can direct the light exactly where you need it. With 3 color temperature modes, warm, mixed, and white, it's perfect for customizing the lighting to suit your mood or task. The 3 brightness levels and flicker-free design ensure that you can enjoy hours of reading or crafting without straining your eyes. Say goodbye to harsh overhead lights and hello to the perfect personalized lighting experience. At number 13, we have the hand casting kit. Now here's something truly unique. If you're looking for a way to preserve a special memory, this hand casting kit is a great option. Whether you want to create a gift for a loved one or make a personal keepsake for yourself, this kit allows you to capture every tiny detail of your hands, down to every fingerprint, nail, and wrinkle. The process is simple, and you even get a practice run before making your final cast. Once you've created your masterpiece, it comes with a beautiful wooden mounting plaque to display your creation. It's the perfect gift for an anniversary, wedding, or any special occasion. It's a beautiful and sentimental way to preserve a memory that will last forever. Coming in at number 12, we have the magnetic fidget rings. For those moments when you need to de-stress but don't want to grab a stress ball or fidget spinner, these sleek and stylish rings are the answer. Perfect for managing stress and anxiety in a subtle, fashionable way. These rings are made from durable materials and feature a satisfying rotation that helps you focus and relax. Whether you're at work, in class, or just waiting in line, these rings offer a discreet way to channel nervous energy and stay focused. Plus, they're also a great way to curb habits like nail biting or smoking. The smooth, rounded design ensures that they're comfortable to wear, even during long sessions of fidgeting. And with their magnetic components, they're fun to play with too. They're the ultimate stress-relieving accessory. At number 11, we have the tabletop fire pit bowl. This sleek and stylish fire pit brings the warm ambiance of a campfire right to your table. Made from high-quality concrete, it's both durable and visually striking. The best part, it's smokeless and odorless, so you can enjoy a clean and safe burn indoors or outdoors. Whether you're hosting a cozy dinner party or just relaxing by the fire in your living room, this portable fire pit sets the mood perfectly. It burns with isopropyl alcohol or bioethanol, and each burn lasts over 60 minutes, giving you plenty of time to unwind. Plus, its minimalist design enhances any space, and its portability makes it easy to move from room to room, or even from your dining table to your garden. Number 10 is the portable handheld fan. This handy gadget is perfect for keeping cool during hot days or intense activities. Whether you're at a theme park, hiking, or just sitting in your office, this fan has got you covered. With up to 19 hours of battery life on the first speed and 12 hours on the second speed, it ensures you stay refreshed all day long. And here's a bonus feature. It doubles as a power bank, so you can charge your phone or other devices in case of an emergency. It's quiet too, operating at just 50 decibels, so you won't disturb anyone around you. Plus, it comes with a built-in flashlight, making it perfect for outdoor activities. It even has a wrist lanyard for easy carrying, so you'll always have it when you need it. At number 9, we have the wireless outdoor Bluetooth speaker. This rugged speaker is built to withstand the elements, making it perfect for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a day in the backyard, this speaker will elevate your experience with rich, crystal-clear sound. It's waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, so you don't have to worry about the weather or rough conditions. Plus, with dual LED flashlights and a built-in carabiner, it's easy to hang or clip the speaker wherever you need it most. With a wireless range of up to 100 feet, you can control your music from a distance, and with up to 24 hours of playtime on a full charge, you won't run out of music anytime soon. Number 8 is the digital writing tablet. Say goodbye to paper clutter and hello to a sleek, eco-friendly alternative to traditional notebooks. Whether you're taking notes in class, jotting down ideas at work, or just doodling for fun, this tablet lets you write, draw, and erase with ease. The tablet is lightweight and runs on battery power, so there are no cords to worry about. Plus, the smooth surface makes writing or drawing a breeze. The built-in erase function lets you clear your screen instantly, and with no ink or paper waste, it's an environmentally friendly option for anyone who likes to stay organized. The UV-protected surface ensures your notes and drawings won't fade over time, making this tablet a durable option for everyday use. At number 7, we have the massage seat cushion. After a long day of sitting in the office or dealing with stress, there's nothing better than a relaxing massage. This cushion targets key areas of your body like your back, neck, and thighs, with 10 vibrating motors and a soothing heat function. You can choose specific areas for massage, select from 5 programmed modes, and adjust the intensity to your liking. The cushion also includes 3 heating pads, which provide comforting warmth, especially during colder months. Whether you're at home or in the office, this massage seat cushion is the perfect way to unwind and relieve tension after a long day. Number 6 is the Matcha Whisk Set. For those who love matcha, this beautifully crafted set will elevate your tea ritual. The set includes a vibrant emerald green bowl, designed for durability and easy cleaning, and a handcrafted bamboo whisk with 76 delicate tines that create the perfect frothy texture when whisking your matcha. The set also includes a scoop for measuring the perfect amount of matcha powder. Not only will it help you achieve a perfect cup of matcha every time, but it will also add an elegant touch to your kitchen or tea corner. Whether you're a matcha enthusiast or new to the practice, this set makes the process more enjoyable and refined. At number 5, we have the solar charger. For anyone who spends time off the grid or in nature, a reliable power source is essential. This solar-powered charger keeps your devices charged using the sun's energy, which means you don't have to worry about finding an outlet. It's durable, weather-resistant, and perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. The solar panel folds up into a compact, portable design, and it even comes with a built-in carabiner so you can hang it on your backpack while you hike. It's also equipped with a flashlight, so you're always prepared for any situation. Whether you're charging your phone, GPS, or other devices, this solar charger is an eco-friendly way to stay powered up while on the go. Here's an interesting piece of trivia. Did you know that solar chargers are not just a modern invention? The concept of harnessing the sun's power dates all the way back to the 19th century. In fact, the first solar panel was developed in 1839 by French physicist Edmond Becquerel. And while these early panels were incredibly inefficient, today's solar technology is vastly more powerful and compact. Pretty cool, right? At number 4, we have the heating pad. Whether you're dealing with sore muscles or just want to relax after a long day, this heating pad is perfect for soothing tension. The pad features multiple heat settings, so you can adjust it to your preferred level of warmth, whether you want a gentle heat or deep, penetrating warmth for relief. It's also equipped with a moisture option, allowing you to choose between dry or moist heat, depending on your preference. The lightweight and flexible design lets you wrap the pad around your neck, back, or any part of your body that needs relief. After a long day, this heating pad is the perfect way to unwind and relax your body. Number 3 is the MagSafe wallet. If you're an Apple user, this slim, sleek wallet is a must-have. It attaches directly to the back of your iPhone using the magnetic MagSafe feature. It's designed to hold your essential cards, like credit cards and ID, while keeping your phone slim and easy to handle. It's perfect for those days when you don't want to carry a bulky wallet or purse. With its magnetic attachment, you can easily remove and reattach the wallet whenever you need it. Plus, its high-quality leather design ensures that it looks stylish and sophisticated while keeping your card secure. At number 2, we have the Smart Water Bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial for good health, and this bottle helps you stay on track with your hydration goals. The bottle tracks your daily water intake and sends reminders to make sure you're drinking enough throughout the day. It has a sleek and modern design, with an easy-to-read display that shows your hydration progress. The bottle also features a built-in UVC sterilization system that helps kill bacteria and viruses, ensuring that every sip is clean and safe. Whether you're at the gym, the office, or at home, this smart water bottle will keep you on top of your hydration needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the portable blender. If you love smoothies or shakes but hate hauling around a bulky blender, this compact, powerful portable blender is for you. It fits easily in your gym bag, backpack, or purse, so you can take it with you wherever you go. With its powerful motor and rechargeable battery, this blender is capable of blending fruits, vegetables, and even ice in seconds. Whether you're at the gym, the office, or traveling, you can make a fresh smoothie or protein shake anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect combination of convenience and health. That's it for our countdown of 15 must-have gadgets and tools for comfort and convenience. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest products. Share this with your friends, and let's make life easier and more fun together. See you in the next video.